You know, this song was so popular back in the day, released in 1968 under the Orchestra Sukisa Fiesta, of course composed by Dr. Nico Wamikalai Wakasanda. The song is called Nasali Elokote, which means I have not done anything. And so in the song, the persona is complaining about how people are saying that they have done things, yet they have not done those things. So he says that this world belongs to God. I have not done anything, but you guys will keep on saying that I've done so much. So I have previously given the profile of Dr. Nico, so I do not want to repeat that. You can always find that in one of the many videos that I have translated. You know that I really like Dr. Nico. God did not keep him for long, but for the short stint that he was in music, he was, you know, a guitar god. He did wonderful work. So I am here today to translate this song, Nasali Elokote, which means I have not done anything. And this is a request by one of my fans. They say that they really would like to know what it is that Dr. Nico was lamenting about in Nasali Elokote.
Nasali nangali kambote, nasali mpe elokote.
Nasali nangali kambote, nasali mpe elokote. I have not done anything.
Bato bayilinga, balingika kana kufanatika mokili oyo.
Bato bayilinga balingika kana kufanatika mokili oyo. People just hate me. They would like me to die and leave this world.
Mokilianga ni anzambe.
Mokilianga ni anzambe, and yet this world belongs to God. Bokolukangai bokolemba. You look for me, but you will get tired. Nasali nangali kampote. I have not done anything. I didn't do anything. Nasali mpe elokote. There's nothing that I have done. Bato baininga ibalingika kana kufa natika mokili oyo. People just hate me. They would like me to die and leave this world. Mokilianga ni anzambe, yet this world belongs to God. Bokolukangai bokolemba. You look for me and you'll get tired, but you'll get tired. That is Dr. Nico himself. He says the same thing. Nasali nangali kambote. I have not done anything. Nasali mpe elokote. There's nothing that I have done. Bato baininga, people hate me. Balingika kana kufanatika mokili oyo. They would like me to die and leave this world. Mokilianga ni anzambe, but this world belongs to God. This is God's world. Bokolukangai bokolemba. You look for me, but you will get tired. Nakoyebate. I do not know. I will never know. Nini ekoela ngai na nzoto. What it is that will find me, what it is that will happen to me. Nakokama mingi baninga. I really get surprised. Likambo yango, with that matter, I really get surprised with that matter. Nakoluka vrema. I'll really look. Nakoluka na makasi. I'll try my level best with all my energy. Na kukikotika boyete, I cannot leave it that way. Nakotuna e mama, so I will ask. Ngai mwana nakomi na pasi. I have become, hurt or pained, or I'm actually hurting. It's so difficult for me. Nakula nayo masukila, so I'll cry before you, Sokila. Lakisanga inzelana, show me the way that I should follow. Nakoyebate, I will not know, I do not know. Nini ekoyela ngai na nzoto, what it is that will happen to me. Nakokama mingi baninga, I really get surprised, friends. Likambo yango with that matter. Nakoluka vrema, I will truly try to look around. Nakolukanga makasi, I'll try with all my effort, with all the strength that I have. Nakwikotika boyete, I'll not leave it like that. Nakotuna e mama, and I'll ask mama. Ngai mwana nakomi na mpasi. I have become a child with a lot of pain, with a lot of suffering, with a lot of difficulty. Nayo ma Sokila, I'll cry before you, Sokila. Lakisanga inzelana, and show me the way that I should follow. Listen to that, Seben. Wow. Typical Dr. Nico Mikalai. Listen to that. Nakukikotika boyete, I'll not leave it like that. Nakotuna, I'll ask. Nini ekoyela ngai na nzoto? What is it that will happen to me? Nakokama mingi baninga, and I am really surprised, my friends. Likambo yango with this kind of a matter or an issue. Nakoluka vrema, I'll really look. Nakoluka na makasi, I'll try with my strength. Nakukikotika boyete, I'll not leave it like that. Nakotuna e mama, I'll ask mama. Ngai mwana nakomi na mpasi. I have become a child with so much suffering, so much pain, so much difficulty. Nakolela nayo masukila, so I'll cry before you, masukila. Lakisanga inzelana landa, show me the way that I should follow. That is typical Dr. Nico. If you're watching this channel and this video for the first time, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification button, leave a comment, a request, a suggestion, a correction, an addition, so that we can grow this channel together. Thank you very much for watching this.